So basically, ang aking skill is between the leg. So, ipakita ko muna sa kanya kung ano yung between the leg. So ganun lang. So first, your dominant foot is in front. And make a wide. And your right hand with the ball. And go and dribble the ball inside your foot. And like this. Okay. Yes. 10 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So later on, next time, makita niyo yung improvements niya. Now, hindi siya ganun kagaling, but soon, makikita niyo improvements niya. Yun lang. Thank you.